Okay, a couple of things. JRZs come in 3 flavors: single adjustable, double adjustable, and the RS Pro, which is double adjustable with a canister. The single adjustable and the regular double adjustables are both twin tube shocks. The Pro is a monotube shock, and that's the big difference. Plus, it's got the remote canister, which is the bump adjust. Which, you know, if you're in motorsports, I mean, the last thing you want to do is climb underneath the car to adjust the bump and just pop the hood and make a click or two. So the big difference is twin tube versus monotube, and monotube with the remote canister for bump adjust. So that's kind of the difference.